Hi, I wanted to introduce you to the Bruite mittens today. And these originally were part of the Seasons Autumn Club, which was one where we wanted to investigate and look at different types of colour work in all its variations. And these mitts introduce you to a very, very simple stranded colour work and a variation on Bohus knitting. Now, it is not true Bohus knitting, but what it uses is the technique in Bohus where you use textured stitches to flip between the colours and create a really smooth and interesting blend between those colours. So in the pattern, you're going to have a couple of different sizes and you'll get explanation on how to do all of these. If you're new to Bohus or stranded colour work or even working on the round, then the workshop is going to be really helpful for you because it'll work through every step in the pattern for you and should be very helpful to really help progress your knitting. There's also yarn kits available where you can pick out a pre-selected set of colours, either these or a whole set of different ones that we have. Or if you want to pick your own colours, they're all in newer worsted, which is a blend of merino, yak and linen, so very, very soft and nice and warm. But you can put together any three of your own colours that are going to work really well for you and your own wardrobe. So come on in and join me with the Bruite mittens.